Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. For today, I'll be using Sky 008 by KADS Nail Art. If you want to try out this stamping plate, the link is available on the description box below. So now, let's peel off the blue protective film. And let's start stamping. After all of that, you know what's next? It's applying top coat. And we're done! Don't forget to use my 10% discount coupon code at kadsnailart.com. It's KADS honeycrunch321. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!